श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि आपादचूडमनुभूय हरिं शयानं मध्ये गवेरतिवितुर्मुदिरान्तरात्मा अदृष्टतां नयनयोर्विषयान्तराणां योनिश्चिकाय मनवै मुनिवाहनं तं काट्टवे कण्डपादकमलं नल्लाडै वन्दे तेष्टरुं मुदरबन्धं तिरुमार्बु कण्डं செவ்வாய் வாட்டமில் கண்கள் மேனி முனி ஏறி தனி புகுந்து பாட்டினால் கண்டு வாழும் பாணர்தாள் பரவினோமே. We have been enjoying so beautifully, so adorably, immersing ourselves in the wonderful Vyakhyanams of Acharyas, Purvacharyas, as beautifully narrated by Srimad Aishingar, 45th Pattam, in his unpeerless, unmatched write-ups on these Perumal Tirumeni on Amalanadipiran. We have enjoyed all the 10 verses so far of Amalanadipiran. The last one that we did is En Amudinai Kanda Kangal Matrundinai Kanave. That Pasuram we enjoyed through the beautiful words of Sri Alagiya Manavala Perumal Nayanar Vyakhyanam. Now, today, in a concluding section, the last post, we will enjoy Swami Desikan's Munivahana Bhogam Vyakhyanam of Amalanadipiran. So, Kondal Vannanai Kovalanai Vendayundavayan En Ullam Kavandane Undergone Aniyarangan En Amudinai Kandakangal Matrondrinai Kanave. So, all Alvars, ஆண்டாள், பெரியாழ்வார், நம்மாழ்வார், திருமங்கை ஆழ்வார், தொண்டரடிப்படி ஆழ்வார், குலசேகர ஆழ்வார், முதலாழ்வார்கள் மூவரும், திருமழிசை ஆழ்வார், all ஆழ்வாrs have mentioned their names at the end of their works. நம்மாழ்வார் at the end of every 10 verses he says குருகூர் சடகோபன் சொன்ன சொல், மதுரகவி சொன்ன சொல், மதுரகவி ஆழ்வார் mentions. Bhattar Biran Kodai Sonna, Kodai writes, here Tiruppanazhalvar does not mention his name, his place, and does not mention what are the benefits that the reciters will get. Nothing. ஊர் பெயர் இவற்றை குறிக்காமல் தம்மை அடியேன் என்று மட்டும் குறித்தார். He has not talked about anything and everything about himself, because he has already united, he has already immersed himself in the divine beauty of Ranganathan. His Swatantram does not exist anymore. He is united with Lord Ranganathan. En Amudinai Kandakangal Matrundrinai Kanave, the eyes that have seen Perumal would not see anything else, and he united with the Lord then and there. Swami Desikan writes, இவ்வாழ்வார் திருப்பானாழ்வார் அடியேன் என்னும் அதொழிய இப்பிரபந்தம் தலைக்கட்டுகிற பூர்த்தி பெறுகிற அளவிலும் தம்முடைய பேரும் ஊரும் பேச மறக்கும்படி தாம் பெற்ற அனுபவத்துக்குப் பெரிய பெருமாள் இனி ஒரு விச்சேதம் வராதபடி பண்ணினபடியைக் கண்டு தம்முடைய ஆத்மாவதியான அனன்யானுபவ ரசத்தை முக்தனுடைய சாமகானத்தின் படியிலே பாடி அநாதிகாலம் பாஹ்யானுபவம் பண்ணின கிளேசம் தீர்ந்து கிருதார்த்தராகிறார். Like Muktanubhavam, he is now in the blissful anubhavam of being with Perumal. So he does not care, he does not bother to write his name, his place, the fruits of recitation, nothing. Because he does not want any interruption in his anubhavam of Perumal. And also, when we are deeply engrossed on a TV movie, we would be oblivious of the surrounding. People have to tap on your shoulder to get you out of that anubhavam. And when that is the case, when Alvar is with the anubhavam on Periya Perumal, so absolutely he has lost himself in it. And he has forgotten his place, his name. However, he has not forgotten his Bhagavat Seshatvam. If he forgets that, then anartham. It is horrible, chaos. அடியேனை ஆட்கொண்டதே, அடியேனை உய்யக் கொண்டதே. He says, it has saved me, it has captured me, it has enslaved me, it has stupefied me. Like that he talks about. Swami Desikan's Anubhavam is unparalleled. Kondal Vannanai. Kondal means the cloud. He is like the dark hued rainy cloud. ஒரு காளமேகம் கடல் நீர் அத்தனையும் பருகி வயிறு பருத்து இரண்டு காவேரிகளின் நடுவே படுத்துக் கொண்டிருந்தால் எப்படி இருக்குமோ அப்படி பெரிய பெருமாள் சேவை தருகிறார் என்கிறார் ஆழ்வார். What a beautiful line. We cannot translate this in English. He is like the rainy cloud which has consumed the entire oceanic waters, and his stomach is so full, and he has reclined in between the two Kaveri, the Kaveri and the Kollinam. He is like a Kala Megam. He is like the dark hued rain-bearing clouds, and he is impregnated cloud. And Kondal Vannan, he is not only of the color of the cloud, he is also of the nature of the cloud. Unbiased and impartially he showers his karunyam on everyone, regardless of the people. கடலிலுள்ள நீரெல்லாம் வாங்கி காவேரி மத்தியத்திலே படிந்ததொரு காளமேகம் போலே கண்டார்க்கு சிரமகரமான திருமேனியை உடையவனை. அங்கனன்றிக்கே ஜங்கஸ்தாமரங்களெல்லாம் உஜ்ஜீவிக்கும்படி ஜலஸ்தல விபாகம் அறக்காருண்ய ரசத்தை வர்ஷிப்பதொரு காளமேகத்தின் சுபாவத்தை உடையவனை. So first one is, when you look at the cloud, you feel so blissful, so cool, so peaceful. Such an anandam comes when you look at the cloud. Similarly, the sramaharamana tirumeniyai udayavan Ranganathan. You feel like getting all your tiredness vanished the moment you see his broad, vast, beautiful Tirumeni, which is like the rain-bearing cloud. And his showering karunyam is like the rain-bearing cloud also. Kovalanai vennai unda vayan. He is Gopalan. He is Gopalan. There are two Shastrarthams here. One, he is Emperuman Sarvaloka Rakshakan. He is the protector of Sarvalokam. And Ashritar Uganda Dravyatai Tanum Virimbik Kolhiran. He is in complete love with that which devotees want to have. Devotees like the butter, because all the Gopikas in which he appeared, they all simply are fond of Vennai, Pal, Tayir, more. So he also wants that Vennai, Tayir, Pal, Nei, more, like that. And he is Idayan, the cowherd boy. The cowherd people do not know the difference between right hand and left hand, because some work can be done by the right hand, some work can be done by the left hand. They don't know that. They do everything with both hands. So they are completely unaware of the Shastrams. And this cowherd boy appeared in between them and behaved like one among them. And he is also stoops down so low to be compared equally with Brahma and Shivan, Rudran. So, like the Trimurti, one of the Trimurtis. But he is an unparalleled supreme Sarveshwaran. He is the one who created Chaturmukha Brahma, and Chaturmukha Brahma, as per his command, created Rudran. But he is there in between them. He is Idayan. Idaile, Brahma, Rudranukku Idaile irpadal Idayan. And Madhye Virinchi Shivayoho Vihitavataraha. That is Purvacharyas enjoy, like, which is the same. He is Madhye Virinchi Shivayoho Vihitavataraha. Purvas say he is in between Brahma and Shivan. Vennai Undavayan. He simply loves that Vennai. Because when Nityasuri is in Sri Vaikuntham, when they are bathing him with the Viraja Nadi Abhishekam Trimanjalam, they bring large flowers, most fragrant flowers, for as a garland, to garland him on his neck, on his beautiful chest. And they perform Bhojyasanam, with bhojya patarthangal, good prasadams, and they give dhupa deepams, all that they would do. How, and Swami Nammalvar mentions in Thiruvaruttam, Shuttunan Malaigal Tuyana Yendi, Vinnorgal Nanneeratti, and Dubam Tara Nirkave, Anguor Mayayinal, Itiya Vennai Toduvunna Ponde, Yimeletruvan Kun, Kotidai Adinai Kut, Adalayardam Kombinuke, 21st verse of Thiruvaruttam. Heed Vyakyanam is Adbhutam here. ஸ்ரீ வைகுண்டத்தில் நித்தியசூரிகள் அனன்ய பிரயோஜனர்களாய், அதாவது எம்பெருமானுக்கு கைங்கரியம் செய்வதை தவிர வேறு எதையும் பயனையும் விரும்பாதவர்களாய் திருமஞ்சனம் செய்வித்து அப்ராகிருதமான புஷ்பங்களை சமர்ப்பித்து அவனை அலங்கரித்தார்கள். They are performing திருமஞ்சனம் in Sri Vaikuntham, the Nityasuris who do not know anything else other than serving him at his lotus feet. Only கைங்கரியம், ஒழிவில் காலமெல்லாம் உடனாய் மன்னி வழுவிலா அடிமை செய்ய வேண்டும் நாம். They perform blemishless, faultless கைங்கரியம் continuously. And why should they bathe him there? Is he dirty? Does he sweat in Sri Vaikuntham? Why should he bathe? Why should they perform bath for Thirumanjanam for Emperuman in Sri Vaikuntham? ஈடு வியாக்கியானம் நம்பிள்ளை says, கர்மவஷ்யரை போலே அழுக்கு கடல குளிக்க என்றிக்கே அங்குள்ளார்க்கு உஜ்ஜீவனமாக நாடு வாழ குளிக்கும் குளிப்பாயிற்று, நாடு வாழ குளிக்கும் குளிப்பாயிற்று, நம்பெருமாள் திருமஞ்சனம் செய்தருளுமா போலே. Here Nampillai ஈடு வியாக்கியானம் mentions that it is not like us to get rid of our dirt we take bath, to get rid of our foul smell in our body because of sweat we take bath. Not like that. They are bathing him for the countries, for the universe to get saved, to get benefits. They are performing Thirumanjanam. Similar to Namberumal getting Thirumanjanam for the people to be saved and to get benefits by seeing the Thirumanjanam, by having the darshan of Thirumanjanam. So they perform Thirumanjanam, they garland him, they give Bhojyasanam, they give Mantrasanam, all that is done. And then they give Dhupa Deepam. So they bring Sambrani, and the smoke emanates from the Sambrani completely on the Trimamani Mandapam in Sri Vaikuntham. And when the smoke subsides, Sri Vaikuntanathan, in between Bhumi Devi, Sri Devi and Neela Devi, who was sitting, is not there. He has disappeared. Why has he disappeared? Where has he gone? He has disappeared because he could smell the butter which was coming out in Yashoda Pirati's Tirumaligai, in Nandagopan's Tirumaligai. So he wanted to enjoy that vennai. So he disappeared and came into Yashodai Tirumaligai to have vennai. So நித்தியசூரிகள் சமர்ப்பித்த தூபத்தின் அடர்ந்த புகையிலே தன்னை மறைத்துக் கொண்டு சென்றானாம் எம்பெருமான். உலகிலும், because the Vyakyanam says, people, the children, the small boy and the small girl would always hold on to the mother's saree and hide themselves behind mother's saree while they were young. But when they become youth, they would simply disappear from the parents and go somewhere else. Similarly, Perumal has disappeared now. The Purvacharyas enjoy the Anubhavam. And Kovalanai Vennayunda Vayan. And even Ranganathan has got the Kunungunari Kuttetri. So he always, his mouth has the fragrance of the butter. So, அப்ராகிருத போகம் போலே வெண்ணையையும் அனுபவித்து அத்தாலே இப்போதும் குணுங்கு நாரும்படியான திருமுகத்தை உடையவன். So, because he loves the butter just like the apragrita bhogam, just like the Sri Vaikunta Bhogya Bhojyartham, the bhojanam, the prasadams offered in Sri Vaikuntham, similar to that, he is fond of these butter in the Gopa Gopika's houses. And Emperuman's Shaushilyam is talked about so far. He is undergone. He is the Nityasuri's Nathan, Ani Arangan. He is the Arangan. நித்தியசூரிகளும் தங்களுடைய தேசமான ஸ்ரீவைகுண்டத்தை விட்டு இங்கே வந்து சேவிக்கும்படியாய் ஆகர்ஷகமான வசீகரக்கூடிய, so attractive, so enchanting, so captivating, the Sriranga Kshetram and the Tirumeni of Ranganathan. So even the Nitya Suris come and have their darshan here. And such a great, grandest Tirumeni has allured me and attracted me and given me this wonderful anubhavam. Alvar says, தன் அனுபவத்தை தந்து அதுக்கு பரவசமாக்கினான். I am completely overwhelmed with the divine beauty of Lord Ranganathan. கன்னிக் குறுங்கயிற்றால் கட்டுண்டானாகிலும் எண்ணற்கரியான் இமையோர்க்கும். So the Saulabhyam and Paratvam is so beautifully talked about in Periya Tirumozhi 11ஆம் பத்து 5வது பத்து 5th பாசுரம். So the Toshis, the women, they talk the first two lines as Saulabhyam, the next two lines as Paratvam. கன்னிக் குறுங்கயிற்றால் கட்டுண்டானாகிலும் எண்ணற்கரியான் இமையோர்க்கும். Even he stoops down so low, being tied down by the cowherd girl by the rope. He is incomprehensible and unfathomable even by the Nitya Suris. So he is both Saulabhyan as well as the Paratvam. Yen Amudan, he is there in Paramapatam as Sri Vaikuntanathan. He is there in Kshira Samudram in the Milky Ocean as the Kshirabdinathan. He is there in Aditya Mandalam. But this Emperuman is so tasty and sweetest and most fragrant and divine and beautiful. And he is such an insatiable nectar. He has Lord Ranganathan, even for the lowliest self like me. Alvar says, he is my Amudu. He is for me exclusively. For even by the nature me, I can enjoy him so much. He is so handsome and divine. It is only, the Amudu is meant only for Devalokam. But this Amudu can get rid of the samsara bandham. That Amudu in Devalokam only would enhance the samsara bandham. So this Amudam can get rid of any future births, and it is Niradisaya Bhogyam. It is completely flawless Bhogyam. It would give endless Bhogyam, and it would give me the greatest Anandam, not like the Alpa Anandam which the Devas get. And this would give Paramanandam. And this Amudu, the eyes that have seen this Amudu would not see anything else. So far Alvar has said, Yen Shindanai, Adiyen Ullatti Innuyure, Yen Ullatul, with the Mamakaram he talked about. Here he says, Amudinai Kanda Yen Kangal, he should have said. Instead, he says, Kangal, Yen Amudinai Kanda Kangal, that Mamakaram has gone. But before that, when he said Yen Ullam, Yen Chindanai, was it wrong? It was not wrong, because Swatantranayum, Swamiyayum உள்ள எம்பெருமான் நமக்கு சேஷமாக ஒன்றை கொடுத்தால் அதை நாமும் நம்முடையது என்று அபிமானித்துக் கொள்ள வேண்டும். When Perumal has granted the hands, the eyes, the mouth, the ullam, the mind, the heart, like that the body, he has blessed us with this. So we should say, my lips will utter Perumal, my hand will perform Kainkaryam, my head will bow down to him. There is nothing wrong in saying my eye there, because it is gifted by him, and we take pride in that, being of service to him. Now he has gotten rid of even that Mamakaram, and he says, the eyes that have seen my Amudan would not see anything else. This would not see anything else. Even when Brahma, Rudran, anyone will come during my Tiruvaradhanam to Ranganathan, I would not see anyone else, anything else. Even if other Archavataram comes, I would not see anything else. In Mahabharatam Shanti Parva, there is a story which Srimad Aishingar mentions. We would enjoy that and then conclude. There are, in Brahmaputras, Brahma had a putra, 3 sons. Ekatar, Dvitar, Tritar. Like that, there were sons. And they were in the beginning of the yogam, Bhakti Yogam. They wanted to see Emperuman through their Bhakti Yogam. So they were performing tapas, but they could not see. But they heard that in Shvetadvipam, in the part of Kshirabdi, in the part of Milky Ocean. There are Mahatmas who perform tapas, who are in the end of their Bhakti Yogam, and they are able to think of, contemplate Perumal, see Perumal, have a darshan of Perumal, and perform Aradhanam uninterruptedly, continuously, without any gap. And they are so pure white in color, and they are having so much splendor, and they are having so much effulgence in their face, tejas. And these three people, Ekadar, Tvidar, Tridhar, they went and saw that Shweta Dvipa Vashigal, who are in the Purna Bhakti Yoga. But they did not bother to look at these people, Ekadar, Tvidar, Tridhar, because if they stop and talk to them, their tapas would be disturbed, their enjoyment would be interrupted, their anubhavam would be stopped. So they did not see. So Ekadar themselves write that Purushanam Sagasreshu Yeshu vai Suddha Yonishu Asman Nakaschit Manasa Chakchusha Vapya Bhujayate. Here Bhagavan, once they are into the Bhagavan's Anubhavam, they would not see anything and anyone else. Yen namudinai kanda kangal matrondrinai kana. That is very clear here. Even Narada Maharishi had the same. Narada Maharishi went to Shweta Dvipam and they saw the same Mahans. And when they saw the Mahans, he bowed them, he prostrated at those Shweta Dvipa Vashi. And they also saw in their mind Narada coming and bowing down to them. So they also respected Narada Muni, but they did not stop to talk to him. They continued their tapas. And Perumal showed his Tirumeni to Narada and said, Narada, here they are contemplating on me in Shweta Dvipam. They are performing dhyanam. By your coming, their dhyanam will be interrupted. So please go away quickly, as soon as possible. After performing your prostrations, you may leave. What a beautiful way that Perumal has facilitated them to enjoy Perumal continuously by the Shweta Dvipavashi. Here, Srimad Aishingar mentioned even Grahasthas, when the Vaidiga Grahasthas, whose son is busy performing Gayatri Japa, Sandhya Vandanam. He has just had his Upanayanam and he has mastered the Sandhya Vandanam, and he is performing his Madhyanika Sandhya Vandanam or Pratah Sandhya Vandanam, whatever, Sayam Sandhya Vandanam. And when he is doing the Gayatri Japam, his friend comes in the entrance and he says, can you call Narayanan? We want to play with him, or we want to talk to him. We want to know what is the homework today. All that. So the father says, he is busy in his Gayatri Japam. Don't disturb him. Come later. We have seen that Aishingar mentions. So similarly, Perumal is so fond of these devotees who are completely caught in this penance, and hence he would not disturb the devotees who are deep into contemplation of himself, of Perumal, uninterruptedly. Here, Swami Desikan Munivahana Bhogam, I have tried to limit the topic to this. It is of course very expansive. We would not be enjoying everything else within the time period. So, En amudinai kanda kangal matrondrinai kanave. The eyes that have seen my sweetest nectar would not see anything else. What a beautiful way that Alvar has ended. Here we have enjoyed the Emperuman Divyatma Swarupam, his Kalyana Gunams, and we have enjoyed his divine Tirumeni, and the Tirumeni's fragrance, the Tirumeni's attributes, the Tirumeni's Saundaryam, Lavanyam. We have also enjoyed from Padadi Kesham, from the lotus feet up to the cup of the crown, the Tirumudi. We have enjoyed part by part, Avayavam by Avayavam, the Tirumeni, the whole, and then the whole totality of Tirumeni through Sirpan Alva's beautiful, exquisite Sri Suktis, and then utilizing the Purvacharya's Vishesharthams, Purvacharya's wonderful Vyakhyanams, as beautifully enumerated by Srimad Aishingar Napatanyabhatam. And if at all anything good in it is because of all of these wonderfulness, and any mistake, faults are completely due to audience lack of understanding, proficiency of the language, and understanding of Sanskritam, Manipravalam, Tamil, Vyakhyanams, anything, or the devotion. So please forgive me for all the trespasses. Adiye. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyos.